Yeah, hello kids. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 and the chapter name is multiplication. Chapter name is multiplication. So, the sign of the symbol of or sign of multiplication is this. What are the learning objects today? Today we will learn multiplication grid from 0 to 10. Multiplication table 11 to 20. Multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number without regrouping. Multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number with regrouping. Understood? Multiplication of 2-digit number by 2-digit number without regrouping. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Properties of multiplication and word problem. Today we will learn about these things. Let's start. Class, look at these bowls. Look at these bowls. These are bowls. How many groups of bowls are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls in each groups. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there. So how many groups of balls are there? 4. How many balls are there in each group? How many balls? 5 balls. Yes. Now, how many groups of balls are there? 4. And how many balls are there in each group? So we can add 5 4 times 1, 2, 3. So it is 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Okay, we can add them. Or 4 fives are 20. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20 can be written as 20. Understood class? क्लास मल्टीप्लीकेशन में हमारे पास इसमें ग्रुप थे, 4 ग्रुप से और एक ग्रुप में 5 बॉल्स थी. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास हाउ मेनी ग्रुप्स आर 4 और एक ग्रुप में कितनी बॉल्स है? 5 बॉल्स है. तो हम 5 बॉल्स को ऐसे भी दर्ज कर सकते हैं 5 5 प्लस 5 10 10 प्लस 5 15 15 प्लस 5 20. ओके, और कितने ग्रुप्स है? 4 ग्रुप्स है. और आप उसको मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं, तब भी हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? सेम होगा. इसलिए हम अपने मल्टीप्लिकेशन को रिपीटेड एडिशन भी कहते हैं. Okay, multiplication is also called repeated addition. Now, multiply the following. 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are 4, 1 six are 6, 1 threes are 3, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, 3 threes are 9, 1 threes are 3. Now, multiplication. See, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups are there. Now, how many ice creams are in each groups? How many ice creams? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 ice cream in each group. Now 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Oh, or 5 threes are 15. Both answers are same, and we can write 3 plus 3 plus 3, 5 times 3, or 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Both are equal. Now we say 5 threes are 15 or 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, multiplication is the repeated addition of a number. I told you multiplication is the repeated addition of a number. It is shown by the sign multiplication. Sign of multiplication is this. The result of multiplication is called the product. जो हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने का 15 है, तो हमारा ये क्या होगा? ये हमारा प्रोडक्ट होगा. क्या होगा? ये हमारा प्रोडक्ट होगा. इन 5 into 3, 15 is the product of 5 and 3. We say 5 and 3 are factors of 15. Understood? So what is the question? Question is, yes, 3 8s are 1 2 3 8 24, and 8 3s are 1 2 3 8 3s are also 24, and 3 8s are 24. So the it is on multiplication grid. Understood? Yes. Again, 7 5s are 35 or 5 7s are also 35. You can you can multiply the both tables. 4 nines are 36 and 9 fours are also 36. Rest of the parts, do yourself class. Now multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number without regrouping. Without regrouping, let us learn how to multiply 3-digit number by 1-digit number. हमें 3-digit numbers को multiply करना है किससे? 1-digit number से. Now multiplication, multiply 232 by 3. Firstly, write the numbers in column from as shown. Okay, we have to firstly arrange the numbers in columns like this. Now step 2, multiply 2 ones by 3 and write the product which is 6 under 1's column. 3 twos are 6. Understood? Step 3, multiplication 3 tens by 3, 3 tens by 3, the product which is 9, 3 threes are 9 under tens column. Understood? Now step 4, multiply 2 hundreds by 3 and write the product which is 3 twos are 6, which is 3 under the hundreds column. So the product is 232 multiplied by 3 is equal to 696. Now students, multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number with regrouping. With regrouping, multiply 354 by 4. Step 1, firstly arrange the numbers in columns as shown. Okay. Now multiply 4 ones by 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. So 16 ones. So 16 ones become 1 tens plus 6 ones. So it is 6 written here and 1 is for, write 6 ones under 1's column and carry over 1 10 to tens column. Now step 3rd, multiply 5 tens by 4. 5 fours are 20. Add 1 carried. It is 21 tens. So 2 hundreds plus 1 tens. Write 1 under tens and carry over 2 here. Hundreds to the hundreds column. Multiply 3 hundreds by 4. 3 hundreds into 4 ones, 12 hundreds. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1 plus 4,000 hundreds. 1,000 plus 4 hundreds. Write 4 under hundreds column and 1 under thousand column. Okay. As written here. So the product is 1416. Let's now multiply 576 by 3. Firstly, arrange the columns. Arrange the numbers in columns. Now 60s are 18. 8 is written here and carry 1 here. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. Carry again here. 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So the product is, product is 1728. Now students, come on the exercise 5.3. Multiply the following. 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 3 eights are 24, 2 carry 4, carry 2, 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 2, 13, 14, 4 carry 1, 3 twos are 6 or 1, 7. Understood class? Now students, rest of the parts do yourself. Multiplication of 2-digit number by 2-digit number without regrouping. Understood class? Now multiply 24 by 12. Write the numbers in column from as shown. Write the numbers in columns as shown. Since 12 is equal to 10 plus 2, 24 multiply by 12. 24 into 10 plus 2. 24 की पहले हम 10 से करेंगे, फिर 24 के हम 2 से करेंगे. So we first multiply 24 by 2. It write the product. 24 by 2, 48. Now multiply 24 by 10. Write the product. 240. 240. Now add the two products obtained in step 2 and 3. It is 8. 4 plus 4, 8, 2. Now the product is 288. Let's multiply 33 by 22. Now 3 twos are, firstly arrange the column and multiply. 3 twos are, yeah, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6. Now 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6. Now add 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 6 12, carry 1 6 plus 1 7. So the product is 726. Now students, multiplication by tens, hundred and thousand. Rule number 1, to find out the product of a number by tens, place 0 at the end of the given number and answer annex a 0 to the number. ओके क्लास, सबसे पहले हम उसको ना 0 लिख देते हैं. हमारे पास 0, हमने यहाँ पे लिखा 38 1 से 38. नाउ 144 into 10, 1440, 1635 multiplied by 10, 1600, 16,350, 16,350. To find out the product of a number and 100 annex 20 to the number. Annex means class, आपको उस नंबर के पीछे 20 लगानी है of the back side of the number, back side to the number. अब 45 के पीछे हम क्या लगा देंगे 20. 56 back side on the 56 20. Annex means हमें उस डिजिट के पीछे 2 zeros लगानी है. अगर 10 है तो हम 1 0, 100 है तो 2 0, 1000 है तो 3 zeros. Okay, like this. To find out the product of a number and 1000 annex 3 zeros, again 3 zeros, 3 zeros. Now 3000, 12,000. Understood class? See, to annex a 0 to a number means placing a 0 at the end of the number, yeah, back side of the number. Annex a 0 to a number means placing a 0 at the end of the number. Okay class? Now students, multiplication properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. Property 1, the product 1 and a number is a number itself. अगर हम किसी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो नंबर क्या होगा, itself, वही नंबर होगा. 5 into 1 5, 26 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 26, 2369 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 2369. मीन्स अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा क्या होगा, प्रोडक्ट 1 ही होगा. 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4. Okay, now property 2, the product of 0 and a number is 0. अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं किसी भी नंबर को 0 से तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, 0 ही होगा. लाइक 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 0, 15 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0, 89 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. अगर हम किसी भी डिजिट को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, 0 ही होगा. अंडरस्टूड क्लास? Now property 3rd, a change in the order of the multiplier and the multiplicand does not affect it to the product. अगर हम अपने मल्टीप्लायर और मल्टीप्लिकेंट को चेंज कर देते हैं, उनकी पोजीशन को चेंज कर देते, तब भी हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, सेम होगा. लाइक 12 into 6 72 और 6 into 12 also is 72. 105 into 4 420, 4 into 105 is equal to 420. Both are same. The product doesn't affect the product. Multiplicand does not affect the product. Now property 4, in multiplying three numbers by grouping them in any order doesn't affect the product. See again, 7 is at 56, at 56 multiplied by 9 504. Again 8 multiplied by 7, 8 multiplied by 9 72. Now 72 multiplied by 7 504. Again 7 in 7 9s are 63, 8 63, 8s are 504. So any order doesn't affect the product. Three numbers by grouping them in any order doesn't affect the product. Understood class? Now come on the exercise 5.c. Multiply the following. class, यहाँ पर c हमारे पास एक 0 है तो हम अनेक्स 0 का यूज करेंगे. 952 10 0 put 10. Now 144, 10, put 10. End of the number. 16, again 10, it will become 16. Okay. Now students, rest of the parts do yourself. Now question number 2, find the missing numbers. Find the missing numbers. Class, here is 6, here is also 6, here is 56, but here is not 56, and here is 6 and 56. Both are, but here is not 7. We have to make them equal. 43, 4 and 3. But here is not 32 and here is not 4. Understood? Rest of the parts, do yourself class. Now come on the word problem. Come on the word problem, example number 1. The cost of a racket is rupees 143. एक रैकेट की cost क्या है? 143. What is the cost of 2 such rackets? Now cost of one racket is 143. Now cost of two racket is 143 multiplied by 2. It is 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Hence the cost of 2 rackets is 286. Now example number 2, a shirt cost, एक शर्ट की cost क्या है? 249. What is the cost of 9 such shirts? अब 9 shirts की cost क्या होगी? Cost of one shirt is 249. Now cost of 9 shirt is 249 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 8 1 here and it carry. 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 8, 44. Carry 4. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Hence the cost of 9 shirts is 2241. Now come on the example 3. If there are 22 ice creams in one tray, एक tray में 22 ice creams है class. Now how many ice creams will be 11 such trays? कितनी trays में? 11. Now number of ice creams in one tray is equal to 22. Number of ice creams in 11 trays. 22 multiplied by 11. Now 1 twos are 2, 1 twos are 2, 1 twos are 2, 1 twos are 2. Now 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 2 4, and here is 2. So hence total numbers of ice cream is 11 tray. Total number of ice creams in 11 trays is 242. 242. I hope you all have understood this chapter very well. Now students, your chapter is completed and prepare it very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you.